Hi, hello everyone. This is Mr. M from Algebra Lessons. Today I am trying to help you out with rotation in geometry. Uh, Rotation is not about the origin. Today's discussion is about rotation about a point other than the origin. Before I start explaining the rotation about the point or the center of rotation other than the origin, let me refresh your memory with the rules. So if we need to rotate an object 90-degree clockwise or 270-degree counterclockwise, the coordinates are changing like this. XY, coordinate XY is changing to negative Y. X, switch the coordinate and change the sign of the Y coordinate. 90-degree clockwise or counterclockwise, coordinate XY is changing to negative X, negative Y. If the positions are not changing, just change the sign. 270-degree clockwise or 90-degree counterclockwise, the coordinates are changing like switch the coordinate and change the sign of the X coordinate. So that's actually the rule I actually need to refresh with you. Okay, so today's problem that I'm actually trying to discuss with you, this one problem will explain the whole procedure. So just step by step figure out what I'm doing here, kind of stop in between and check whether you are actually mastering the procedures that I'm explaining. So take your time and try to learn this. Okay, so this problem is asking you to rotate this object 180 degree about 5 negative 5. So the center of rotation is actually not the origin. So you need to make sure the center of rotation is origin or not the origin. So if it is if the center of rotation was origin, so this is the center of rotation. But here it is saying that 5 negative 5. Okay, where is 5 negative 5? First you need to figure out where is 5 negative 5. 5 and negative 5. So this is actually the new center of rotation. So we have a fake axis. We should have a fake axis, and that will act as the origin or the new center of rotation. How can we approach this problem? So there is an easy way to simplify without using any geometric tools. Just use the rules that we learned to simplify or to make the transformations. Okay, those rules are enough to simplify or solve this issue. Okay, so first what you need to do is how you can change the new center of rotation to the actual origin. For that, what you need to do? So always first horizontal movement, then vertical movement. So this is the new center of rotation. This is 5 negative 5. Okay, how can we move this to 0 0? That is always you need to check first. Step 1, change the center of rotation to 0 0 or shift the new center of rotation to 0 0. So for that, see, basically 1 2 3 4 unit 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 unit left. Because it is moving left, you need to put a minus sign. 5 unit left, and how many units up? 1 2 3 4 5 units up. So 5 unit left and 5 unit up is actually the movement or the shift that you need to make to change the center of rotation, new center of rotation, to the actual origin. So now what you need to do is you need to find the coordinates of each of the points of the given object. Just for convenience, I'm naming it. So this is negative 1 1, negative 1 and negative 6. So A is negative 1, negative 6, and B, what is B? B is 1 4, 1 comma 4. And what is C? C is negative 1 6, negative 1 6. What you next need to do is you need to add the change, the shift with each coordinates. So I'm just trying to call this as A prime. Negative 1 plus negative 5. negative 6, negative 6 plus 5, negative 1. Now b prime, the same with the shift. 1 plus negative 5, negative 4. 4 plus 5, 9. And c prime, negative 1 plus negative 5, negative 6. 6 plus 5, 11. So this is actually the coordinates after we shifted the origin. Now we need to apply the rotation rule. For 180-degree clockwise or 180-degree counterclockwise, the rule is without switching the coordinates, change the sign of the coordinates. So the coordinates are actually, I would like to call it as a double prime. Change the sign of the current coordinate. So 6, 1, b prime, b double prime is 4, negative 9, and c double prime is 6, negative 11. And so this is the point where we need to reverse the shift, because we shifted the actual new coordinates to the origin. So what we did here, you need to reverse it. That is the third step you need to do. So what we did here, do the reverse. So here it is negative 5, positive 5. You need to do positive 5, negative 5. So that means you are reversing the sign and add it with this. So a prime, prime, prime. Just for notating, you can use something different to make sure it is not changing the coordinates. So this will be 5 plus 6, 11. Negative 5 plus 1, negative 4. B prime, prime, prime is 4 plus 5, 9. Negative 9 plus negative 5, that is negative 14. And C prime, 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 6 plus 5, 11. Negative 11 plus negative 5, negative 16. And now plot these points. You are already done with the rotation. 11, negative 4. 11 is this. Negative 4 is this. 11, negative 4. And 9, negative 14. 9, negative 14. 9 is here. And negative 14 is here. Negative 14 is here. And 11, negative 16. 11, negative 16. 11, negative 16 is here. So this is 11, negative 4. This is A prime, B prime, B prime, and C prime. Now just join the coordinates. Let me use a different color. Okay, so A to B, A to B, so this is the one. I will to draw it properly. Okay, so that is 11, negative 4. 11, negative 4 is here. negative 4 is here. What's happening? Yeah. So now what we need to do, connect. This is the rotated figure. So this is what we need to do for rotation. So this is the easiest way to rotate the object about a point. So first we need to figure out how to shift the center, and then shift the center and figure out the coordinates, apply the appropriate rotation rule, and once you go get the coordinates after rotation, just reverse the shift. What you did to shift the new center of rotation to the origin, you need to reverse that shift and apply that in those coordinates and plot those coordinates back in the grid and connect it and shade it. That is what the rotation about a point which is other than the origin. That's it. So I hope you all are actually enjoyed this video. I will come back with another video of the same kind. Till that, bye.